Hello and welcome to this video about storytelling with data. Have you ever tried to explain a complex topic to someone only to have them tune out halfway through? This can be a frustrating experience, but there is a solution: storytelling with data. This technique combines data and storytelling to create a compelling presentation that both educates and engages your audience. In this video, we'll discuss the steps to creating a successful data story. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the tools and knowledge to create effective data stories that captivate your audience and effectively communicate complex information. Step 1. Determine your story. Determining your story is the first step in creating a successful data story. What message do you want to convey, and who is your target audience? By understanding your message and target audience, you can choose the most relevant data and tailor your story to meet their needs and level of understanding. This will help you ensure your audience is engaged and motivated to learn from your presentation. Step 2. Gather data. Data is the foundation of your story, so it's essential that you use accurate, up-to-date, and relevant information. Take the time to research and gather data that supports your message and appeals to your audience. Make sure that your data is trustworthy and reliable, as using inaccurate information can undermine the credibility of your presentation. Step 3. Clean and organize. Once you have your data, it's important to clean up any errors or inconsistencies. This step involves removing any irrelevant information and organizing the data in a way that is easy to understand and visually appealing. The goal is to present your data in a clear and concise manner that effectively supports your message. Step 4. Visualize. Visuals are an important component of storytelling with data. They help your audience understand complex information and provide context for your message. When choosing a visual representation for your data, consider the type of data you're working with, your message, and your audience. Some popular options include bar graphs, line graphs, pie charts, and scatter plots. Step 5. Label. Labels, titles, and captions are critical components of any data visualization. They provide additional context and clarification for your audience and help communicate your message effectively. Take the time to write clear, concise labels and captions that effectively support your story and message. Step 6. Tell the story. Now it's time to integrate your data into a narrative that effectively conveys your message. Use real-life examples and engaging language to keep your audience interested. The goal is to create a story that flows smoothly and effectively communicates your message, while also making the data more relatable and memorable. Step 7. Practice. Rehearse your presentation several times to ensure that the story flows smoothly and the data supports it effectively. Practicing your presentation will give you an opportunity to identify any areas that need improvement and make adjustments accordingly. This step is critical to the success of your presentation, as it allows you to fine-tune your story and ensure that you're delivering it with confidence. Step 8. Engage the audience. Encourage interaction and feedback from your audience during your presentation. Ask questions, encourage discussion, and provide opportunities for your audience to ask questions. This not only makes your presentation more engaging, but it also helps you gauge their understanding of the story and data. This step is especially important if you're presenting to a large audience, as it helps ensure that everyone follows along and comprehends the information. Step 9. Review and refine. After your presentation, take the time to evaluate its effectiveness. Review the data and story to determine if they were presented effectively and if your message was communicated clearly. Consider the feedback you receive from your audience and use it to refine your presentation for future use. In conclusion, storytelling with data is a powerful tool that can help you effectively communicate complex information to your audience. Following these steps, you can create a compelling data story that educates, engages, and inspires your audience. Whether you're presenting to a large group or one-on-one, storytelling with data can help you make a lasting impression and achieve your goals. Remember, the key to successful storytelling with data is to keep your message and target audience in mind throughout the process. By doing so, you can create a data story that is both informative and enjoyable for your audience. With practice and refinement, you'll be able to master the art of storytelling with data and become an expert communicator. Thank you for watching this video on storytelling with data. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this.